Average crossing strategy with RSI and stochastic confirmation. This strategy is based on the simultaneous observation of three indicators, pair of moving averages, RSI and stochastic. The trade opening signal occurs based on the confirmation of these three indicators. It is therefore a strategy that does not require particular knowledge. Just follow these instructions. It is one of the easiest strategies and suitable for everyone, even the less experienced. Trading tools. The moving average indicator represents the average of the values of the last candles, mobile because it changes over time as new candles appear. The price moving from one side of a moving average to the other can indicate a change in trend. We will use two moving averages to have better information, also knowing that the crossing of the averages gives a greater probability of a change in trend. As a signal filter, we rely on two of the most popular indicators, RSI and Stochastic. In the RSI indicator, Relative Strength Index, we refer to the center line. Candlesticks often have difficulty crossing this line, which, if crossed, represents a confirmation of the trend direction. Stochastics gives us a trading signal when the lines leave one of the outer zones and the lines cross. The confirmation of these three elements, therefore, gives us a signal of opening of the operation. We use a 1-minute candlestick chart with 5-minute expiry. This expiry was chosen for seeing possible price retracements. The strategy applies to any market and any broker. In our tests and examples, we use the pocket option broker. You can find the new universal link in the description. Graphics tools. Moving average indicator period 5. Moving average indicator period 10. RSI indicator standard parameters with central line only. Stochastic indicator standard parameters. 1-minute candles and 5-minute expiration. Chart preparation. To get started, let's open the chart platform and install the indicators. If you don't remember exactly how to do it, here's a quick tutorial on how to get started. How to prepare the PocketOption.com platform for binary option strategies. Access the PocketOption.com broker through the universal link or with your personal link already active. Enter your login details and access the demo platform. To prepare the graph, we access the settings. We choose currency pairs that have a good payout. Japanese candlestick chart. We adjust the duration of the candles, for example, 1 minute each. Trade expiry, timed with clock symbol, or candle expiry with flag symbol. For example, let's choose a 3-minute expiry time, which corresponds to the duration of 3 candles. Let's try a simple strategy by adding indicators. A MACD indicator and two moving averages. One with 7 periods, yellow, and one with 200 periods, blue. Adjust the parameters according to the strategy instructions. Example of strategy. We open a call operation at the intersection of the MACD curves when the candle is above the two moving averages. The operation was successful. Now you know how to customize your platform according to the instructions of the new strategies. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and try binary options and Forex strategies. We install the indicators provided by the strategy with the recommended parameters and customized colors and windows of your choice. How to open a trade. Obtaining the signal is very simple, with 3 conditions that must be verified simultaneously. Crossing of the two moving averages. RSI, which cross the zero line, passing from one zone to another. Crossing of the stochastic lines occurred after they exit one of the external zones. Call input. Put input. I'll leave you with the trading examples. Remember to click like on the YouTube video and subscribe for any updates. Furthermore, your comment in the description of the video is useful.